We are with 6.5, that is IQAC. IQAC plays a very important role in the governance mechanisms. 6.5.1 is internal quality assurance cell has contributed significantly for institutionalization of quality assurance strategies and processes. There are 10 marks to it. It is expected that two best practices institutionalized as a result of IQAC are going to be mentioned out over here. Now, IQAC takes initiatives, and these initiatives are the ones out of which two are going to be mentioned out. All other departments conduct activities. IQAC promotes initiatives. That means that IQAC is a think tank. IQAC conducts the planning and invites proposals throughout the year. Once these proposals have come, they are lined up, they are made valid, the finer aspects are understood, they are processed so that funds are made available for conducting the activities. Now, this means IQAC promotes the activities, and this is called as IQAC taking an initiative. IQAC should take maximum initiatives. IQAC should take new initiatives. Now, what is an initiative? Anything, any aspect that makes the organization better is an initiative. Now, in this way, new courses can be an initiative. New programs can be initiatives. Cultural promotion can be initiative. Sports promotion can be initiative. IPR related activities can be initiative. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan can be initiative. E-governance initiatives can be taken. Technology based teaching can be an initiative. Now, these initiatives are suggested by the IQAC to the organization so that the organization accordingly progresses in those areas and makes the areas better. This is how you are able to see IQAC works. That would mean that here two initiatives need to be mentioned out by IQAC. For example, a college has a book bank. Now, book bank is an initiative that IQAC has proposed. The books are being purchased, and these are the textbooks. The students are made into smaller groups where you are able to see two students get a set of books which they are learning. These books happen to be textbooks. The teacher takes care of the students and tells them what is to be read out in greater details and keeps a follow up of all these things. Here you are able to see the library is in association with the teacher. This makes teaching a library centric kind of a teaching. This is an initiative that library has taken. There was a very simple initiative that one of the libraries had taken out. This library tries to train the students as to how to handle the books. Now, to nowhere we are taught how to handle the books. The library invites students. When the students come, they are made to wash their hands. They are made to wipe their hands. They are taught how to use the library. They are taught how to handle the books. They are taught how to mark the pages. They are taught how not to scribble on the books. They are told to take the books carefully and to keep them at the place or in that particular place very, very carefully. This very small initiative has added to the quality of the books. In the past 5 years, the library does not have one book which is now torn or which has been scribbled out. By having such kind of processes, the quality of the organization goes on increasing, and therefore quality initiatives taken by the library really make a big difference. Let us go to 6.5.2. 6.5.2 makes a mention as the institution reviews its teaching learning process. structures and methodologies of operations and learning outcomes at periodic levels through IQAC, set up per norms and recorded the incremental improvements in various activities. This particular question focuses exclusively on teaching learning process. One of the IQACs had taken this initiative where there was a complaint from the teachers that some lectures are not being conducted in the classroom. The IQAC took an initiative whereby one teacher was appointed to see to it that which halls remain empty. The teacher took care of the visits and visited the classroom every 2 hours for almost a month's time. After which he made some reports, and these reports were then handed over to the principal. The IQAC and the principal discussed on it and necessary actions were taken. These actions play a very important role because they give a message to the professors and the teachers that all the lectures need to be conducted though it is the fag end of the academic year. Now, such initiatives make teaching and learning more prominent. You are able to see there are a variety of teaching and learning methods that are tried upon. Methods to review teaching learning process is one initiative that IQAC can take. Peer reviewing of the lectures. Some good senior professors who are excellent in their job, they are requested to attend the classes of the other teachers and suggest them the necessary changes. Teaching audits is yet another aspect whereby every month an audit is prepared with respect to teacher and teaching, which includes whether a teaching plan is in position and is working comfortably, whether the timetable goes on properly, whether the teachers conduct all the necessary lectures, in case they have gone for a leave, whether any other teacher is going to engage the lecture, then the teacher after coming back on the leave, whether he has engaged those lectures and has tried to see to it that the syllabus remains in position, a feedback mechanism from the students. All these are a part and parcel of assessing the teaching learning process continuously. Teaching learning process is an important aspect of IQAC. We come to 6.5.3, average number of quality initiatives of the institution. Now, how many quality initiatives has the organization taken? We have seen a list of quality initiatives. At least 15 quality initiatives need to be conducted every year for a good grade from NAAC by the organization. When more number of quality initiatives are taken, more people get involved into these initiatives, responsibilities can be shared, and this helps in the organization becoming a better place to learn. Initiatives play a very important role. As per the reviewing of NAAC, more than 10 initiatives to 15 initiatives need to be taken every year. The next feature happens to be the quality assurance initiatives of the institution, which are placed in 6.5.3, and some of the initiatives that I was actually making a mention are the academic and administrative audits, which IQAC should conduct every 2 to 3 years. Any audit has a purpose, any audit has an objective, and every audit has an outcome. The suggestions that come from the audits must be implemented, and therefore conduct of the audits, participation in NIRF, ISO certification, any other kind of quality audit, green audits are extremely welcome in the internal quality assurance system. IQAC is a vibrant body, and IQAC must remain a vibrant body for performing better. Thank you.